Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. Today we're going to do it in the kitchen environment or somewhere close to the kitchen so you can keep an eye on what's cooking. So I invite you to close your eyes, place your hands apart, feet apart, and let's take 3 purposeful breaths in. Big inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one, very slow. Inhale and exhale. Great job. So now we're going to start the cat-cow while standing. So you're going to bring your hands up, right? And then you're going to inhale, push your pelvis in front, neck up, and exhale all the way in. And keep going. Inhale, exhale. So 5 times. Inhale, visualize your spine. Exhale, inhale, really good for your neck, your back. Exhale. Last one, inhale, push your neck back and exhale. Good job. Alright, so now we're going to do some simple jogging to get the blood flowing. So simple jogging is just like that. If you want, you can do star jumps. But since we're going to do it in like a kitchen environment, you can just do it wherever you want. You can stay in the same place or you can go around. So feel that heart pumping, the blood pumping from the crown all the way to your toes. Right? If you have any ankle injury, you can of course move your ankles and your knees. Let's keep going a little bit longer. That's it. So this is also good, so your blood flow in your digestion. So now we're going to do the tree pose. This is good for your focus, right, and memory. So you're going to move your right foot to your right side and place it on your ankle. I'll show you where the placement is. You're going to move your hands up. Inhale, sweep your hands up and interlace them up like that, and then you're going to hold on to and fix your point of gaze. So your legs are going to be like that. We're going to do simple version, yes? So you're going to stay here. You're going to breathe normally. This is really good to elongate your back, your spine, to stand tall for any back problems, right? Then when we are coming down, you're going to inhale first, then exhale, hands down gracefully. And then your leg goes down and to the center. So you're going to move your left foot to your left side, same way. And then inhale, sweep your hands up gracefully. Pick one point in front of you. And then we're going to hold the pose. And while we are here, we're going to breathe normally, right? If you feel that you're wiggling a little, it's okay. You fall, you try back again. How you can manage that, to stay strong is you pick one point and then keep looking at that. If your mind wanders, pick one point and keep saying dot, dot, or something, whatever you want in front of you. And that will really help you to keep your focus. Then you're going to inhale, exhalation. Your hands are going to come down very slowly. Then your left foot down. Then we're going to hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Big inhale and exhale. So now we're going to do the triangle pose. Really good for digestion, for anxiety, and also losing weight. So we're going to start at the left side of your mat or on the floor, no problem. Mountain pose first. Then move your right foot to your right side. Then inhale, hands up parallel to the mat or the floor, and then push your left hip to your left side, surfboard to your right. Inhale, exhale, and right hand towards your right shin, left hand to your ceiling. Think about the benefits. Few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhalation, and then you're coming up, hands parallel to the mat. Exhale, hands down. Then check in with your knees. You're okay. Then we're repeating it to our left side. So inhale, hands up. Then you're going to push your right hip to your right side. Surfboard to your left. Inhale, exhale, go with the exhalation. Gaze up. So make sure that again you pick one point on top and hang on to it, because with yoga it's really important to have your mind at one point, not that it's going everywhere. So it really helps with your stress. Yeah. 1, inhale up, hands parallel to the mat. Exhale, hands down. Bend your right knee and go to the left. Let's place our hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Big inhale through your nostril and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one, big inhale and exhale. Great job. Let's also connect with our inner self and say these 5 positive affirmations. I am strong. I am kind. I am calm. I am healthy. I am happy. Great. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Good job on joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.